So, hello defense aspirant, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing well in your life. You are preparing to your fullest. Today we are back with a video, and in this video we are talking about some tips for effective participation in group discussion. Whenever a candidate is going for SSB, there is a thought process behind it that the group discussion there is a fish market. Not for all, but some of the candidates they have this doubt. In this video, we will be giving some tips for effective participation and group discussion. So let us start with our video. So first of all, the group discussion is first task in GTO series. That is, two group discussions are conducted back to back since this is a first task. It offers the candidate a chance to create a good impression in the group discussion on GTO, that is ground task officer. As always, first impression is your last impression. This is the first chance you have to give your good performance in group discussion. The basic fundamentals that you must keep in your mind while participating in group discussion, even for PPTT or group planning exercise, will remain same. What is GTO observing? That is a question around you all. What is GTO observing? That is what ground task officer wants from you in group discussion. So my first point about it is your information level and general knowledge is seen through your content of views. That is what you are speaking in the group, your information level and general knowledge. The second thing, your ability to support your views with logical as well as meaningful arguments. If in the group discussion, it may that the other candidate is not with your point, so you have that ability to support your views with you have to give a logical or meaningful argument. Out of that, you convince the group onto your views. This is the ability. Third point, how organized is your thought process? That about the third point, how you are organizing the structure of your thought process. That the group discussion topic, how you organize it in your mind, that is from the history to the present scenario and to the future outcomes, how you organized it. So that is the also a kind of ability. After that, your ability to express your views with complete clarity and ease. Remember, my friends, in the group discussion, you do not want to speak more and more. Please speak for a less time but with a complete clarity and ease so that others will would able to get your points with less time and it would be a effective speaking. Your social attributes are also seen, the way you engage with other in the group discussion, that is that how you are speaking, how your body language is towards the other is also giving a important factor to GTO, that how this candidate is engaging with others and also tell the GTO about the grooming of the candidate. The next thing is how tactful are you in dealing difficult and group descriptive characters in the group. Some candidates also they talk much and much and do not let the others to speak. How you deal with them, how effectively you deal with them is also kind of a ability of yours. After that, your self-confidence and energy level is also observed. Some of the candidates in very beginning of the group discussion, they have the boost in their energy level and confidence. They will speak for a while, creates a fish market, and after that their logical points get washed away and they will not able to speak further in the group discussion. Your energy level should be consistent, I say. Your self-confidence level should be consistent so that at the end of the group discussion you have the same energy level and you are putting your points. Remember, my friend, those who are continuously speaking at the beginning, they do not have the points left at the end. Okay. After that, your ability to withstand and gracefully bounce back from the setbacks received through counter arguments given by others. Your mental stamina to remain continuously visible in a positive manner in GD, that is group discussion, is C. How you mentally, positively, and showing your social graces and you are engaging with others in GD, this is also C. This is only about what is ground task officer is observing in you. After that, the second thing is tips for effective participation. Remember, my friend, if you want to give SSB, then your public speaking or effective public speaking, I say, is necessary. You have that power, you have that power of words that you will be able to convince others, and that will affect your performance a lot. So, how do you want to prepare? How can I prepare? That is the question comes to our mind. I will tell you the tips for the effective participation. So, for the very beginning, speaking first is not necessary. It do not give you any type of a advantage. However, but if you speak early, give you a little advantage that someone else who have the same thought process does not give away the point you wanted to say. Okay. The second tip is do not speak continuously, as you may appear to be overbearing. Speak more often for less duration of time. Give concise points relevant to the lead you are supporting. Do not take off at the tangent. You have to remain with the group. Remember, my friends, in the group discussion, it might be that we are forming a two groups and they are continuously counter each other arguments. But after all, you have to be concise with your point. Give logical statements, logical points, valid points. Please do not take off at the tangent. Remember, it is not a debate. So your endeavor should not be prove the other person wrong, but to support your point of view with a logical argument. It is not a debate. You do not have to prove the other wrong, and also you have to support your point. You have to support your point with a good logical argument. You have to put some facts, some of the data analytics, so that you can support your point at that point of time. It depends upon the greater your knowledge base is, the better you will be able to speak. Try and quote some facts, figures, and some examples from recent times in order to support your points. Be sensitive to the point of view and participation of others. Encourage them. They give their views, look very interesting in their viewpoint. Okay, you have to also motivate others if they are not participating. Ask the other. Just number three, you want to say something? You want to add something? This kind of attitude is very much required. Do not be rude, anti establishment by blaming the system, authority, figures, and the government. We do not do that actually. They are seeing your creative mind, your creative thinking. Okay? In the case, if there is a question in the defense aspirant that in case a candidate is continuously interrupting while I am speaking, then what we have to do? You could politely, with a smiling face, tell him by taking example, just number one, please let me complete, or let us give everyone a chance, please. You also, and after all, if he is not convinced by your point, then it's his mistake. GTO is observing each and everything. Always draw other people attention before making a point, because It would be illogical if you say something and others would not able to listen it. Okay, so always draw the people attention. I wish to add the point. I beg to differ with the point raised by this chess number. Finally, if you are well informed, logical, well groomed, a friendly kind of a person, then you will be always do well in your GD, and no matter what the topic is. If some topic you do not know even a single word about it, so first of all, please adapt the art of listening. Listen some point with others. You will get some points out of your mind and you will be able to give a generalized statement. That is also good. However, you stand, assess your true potential. First, your speaking skills matters a lot. It would be effective only. And the potential is also your confidence level. You have to be a physical participated in multiple GDs so that your confidence level will be uplifted and before you are leaving for SSB. So these are some tips in order to boost up your performance. So thank you so much for watching this video. And at last, I wanted to say that some preparations are very much necessary before going for SSB. Please read some books, read current affairs, read regular newspapers. So in order to get some more facts. Thank you so much. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button in order to get further updates. And Jai Hind at last.